If you don't know how to learn vocabs so that you can remember it for a long time, and if you are struggling to use it in your daily conversation, then this video is for you. Hi everyone, for those who don't know me or are watching me for the very first time, I am Ankit Dubey from Uttar Pradesh. For you, like all of you, I am also learning English, and simultaneously I am creating content and uploading it on my YouTube channel so that it can also help you. And 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 one more reason for creating the content is I want to stay consistent with my English learning journey. Whenever I feel low, I don't want to practice my English. That the one thing that helps me stay consistent is that in my mind somewhere that I have to create content, I have to upload on my YouTube channel. This encourages me, this boosts my confidence, this boosts my energy to read something in English, to read, write or speak, listen something in English. I have to do something every day so that I can create content and upload it on my YouTube channel. It can also help you. So today's video is all about how to learn vocabs and remember them for a long time, and especially how to use them in your daily conversation. So without any further delay, let's start this video. So today I am going to tell you how I learn vocabs and how I am able to remember them for a long time and how I am able to use them in my daily conversation. So for vocabs, most of the time I usually read the Hindu newspaper. I have made it a habit that every day I have to read Hindu newspaper because it helps me stay updated with the world news, what is going on in the world, and it also helps me learn sentence structures, advanced vocabs, how to write in my writing skills. Reading newspaper helps me in many ways. So i I have been doing this for a very long time. Reading newspaper is in my habit now. So let's start how to learn a vocab. So for example, some days ago, I don't know whether you have heard it or whether you read it in newspaper or in on internet or somewhere else. But there is a some days ago there is a tragic incident took place in Vrindavan, Mathura, where what carrying carrying 30 devotees, all from Punjab, capsized in Yamuna, leaving 15 to 16 dead and others injured. So this, when I was reading this article, I came across a lot of news. I came across a lot of new words. So I wrote them down in my notebook, and today I'm going to tell you how I learned these vocabs and how I wrote down in my diary. So let's start with the first word. The first word is fairy. So the first word is fairy. Fairy is used both as a noun and as a verb. First we will learn fairy as a noun. So when we use the word fairy as a noun, it means a boat, a ship or vessel. For example, a boat carrying 30 devotees capsized in Yamuna in Vrindavan, Mathura. So the same sentence you can say that a ferry carrying 30 devotees in Vrindavan, Mathura capsized in Yamuna river. See how I use the same word. How I use this word? The ferry. Ferry means boat. Now whenever I see the news about boat, I will definitely, and it automatically click in mind that boat means ferry. So I use it, a boat carrying 30 people. So I will replace this word boat with ferry. A ferry carrying 30 devotees capsized in Yamuna in Vrindavan, Mathura. When we use ferry as a verb, it means to transport people or goods across the river, lake, or ocean. Now I will take the same example again. A boat carrying 30 devotees, capsized in Yamuna in Vrindavan, Mathura. Now I will replace this word carrying. Carrying. A boat carrying a boat ferrying 30 people, capsized in Yamuna, Vrindavan, Mathura. See how I am replacing the bird and using it in my daily conversation. That's how I learn the vocabs. This is the smartest and best way to learn the vocab and especially use it in your daily conversation. And I have been doing this for a very long time. I am sharing my personal experience. Try this method, this will help you a lot. The next vocab is capsize. Capsize. Capsize means to overturn, to flip over. कैप्साइज मीन्स ए बोट ओवरटर्न मीन्स पलट जाना नदी में पलट जाना नाव का नदी में पलट जाना कैप्साइज टू ओवरटर्न नाउ ओवरटर्न आई कैन यूज द बर्ड synonyms of this word a boat carrying a boat ferrying 30 percent devotees overturned a capsized in Vrindavan Mathura. So I taught you three words today. I hope it will help you. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel so that you don't miss my next video. Because now you are going to get three videos every week that will be based on vocabulary, especially the Hindu vocabulary, the advanced words that will take your English to the next level. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. And if you and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Bye bye.